we are going to do the numerical based on the defects. In the last class, we have discussed the impurity defect. Now, the impurity defects, these are caused when the ionic solid is been added with some any other ionic solid. Then what is the outcome? A cationic vacancy results. Now just see this numerical. First we will go to the question. If NaCl is doped with 10 raised to power minus 3 mole percent of strontium chloride, what is the concentration of cation vacancy or cationic vacancy? Now just this is there, NaCl is being doped with strontium chloride, right? Now here in the beginning we will have the crystal lattice of sodium chloride, Na plus Cl negative, right? Now when strontium chloride is been added, what will happen if one of the lattice site is to be occupied with strontium chloride? There should be two vacant space created. Now let me tell again, to accommodate the strontium ion, right, there will be two vacant site. In one of the vacant site, one strontium ion fits, leaving behind a cationic vacancy, right? Why the difference is there? Because the oxidation number, or we can say the sodium has got unit positive charge and strontium has got 2 unit of positive charge, right? So that means one strontium ion create one cationic vacancy, right? Now this is same here, that one strontium ion will create one sodium ion vacancy, that is the cationic vacancy. And that means a concentration of cationic vacancy. How many cation vacancy are being formed or being doped with 10 raised to power minus 3 mole percentage of strontium chloride? It will be equal to the concentration of the strontium chloride. So I have written here 10 raised to power minus 3 mole percent, right? Why? Because if one strontium ion create one sodium ion vacancy, cationic vacancy, so the percentage, the concentration which is given for the strontium chloride will create that much number of the cationic vacancy. 10 raised to power minus 3 mole percent, right? We will just convert this percent, 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 100. So we will get how much? 10 raised to power minus 5 moles. So this is the concentration of the cationic vacancy, right? This is in terms of mole. We have to just get it in terms of the number of it, right? So the number of the strontium ion in 10 raised to power minus 5 mole will be how much? It will be equal to 10 raised to power minus 5 into Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 10 raised to power 23 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Just we will get it, 10 raised to power, it will get 18. So how many ions are there? It is 6.02 10 raised to power 18 ions of strontium will be present. So the number here, which in term concentration here in terms of number, will be the number of the strontium ion. So it is coming how much? 6.02 10 raised to power 18. So this much number of cationic vacancy will be there, right, when 10 raised to power minus 3 mole percent of strontium chloride is been added in NaCl.